What is up, Internet? It's your boy, the True Dark Magician, back again for another unboxing. And today I've got a treat for you. Today I unbox my favorite, sometimes villain, sometimes anti-hero statue of Taskmaster by Diamond Select Marvel Gallery. So let's dive into this character who started off as a foil for Deadpool, but slowly but surely turned into his own thing. Statue. So dive on in, Internet. Get excited. Okay, so with this statue, I've been waiting a while for this statue. Ever since I saw it go on up for pre-order, what was it? Earlier this year. Maybe it was around the summer or something like that. I forget. But yeah, I have been waiting for this statue for a while, and I'm so excited to finally have it because this isn't the movie Taskmaster. This is the comic accurate Taskmaster. Frightening Taskmaster. And fun fact, in the comic books, Taskmaster's actual identity hasn't been revealed yet because, well, I guess they really haven't felt a need for it, which I think is great. More mystery, the better. Anyway, moving on. Like usual, with these, the box is nice, very minimalist. Love the font for the name Taskmaster. That font is great. Picture on the back is great. Little description is great. For Windows to fully inspect the figure before you buy, also great. These guys really know what they're doing when it comes to selling products. You know, not that like any self-respecting store would let a damaged figure go on the shelves, but the company also includes these 4 windows so you can inspect from all sides, the front and the upper view before you buy. Which is what I love. Or at least I would if I bought these in a store. I get all these figures online at Big Bad Toy Store, the best place to buy your toys. Big Bad Toy Store, can I have some money now? Never get tired of that joke. Alright, anyway, let's dive on in and cut this baby open. Been having this one on the back burner for a little while. I'm really excited to get this thing open. So, cut! Cut! Open! I can already tell. This is gonna be a good statue. Oh man, look at that. Opens up like easy, just like usual for all these products. Really love. I cannot just stop singing the praises of Diamond Selects and Marvel Gallery. I love these statues. I love how good they look. I love how much work goes into these. I love that they are super inexpensive. It's like hardly any of them, except for like the super limited edition deluxe ones that only come out for a short amount of time and are bought up like that, so I don't have any. Ones are like under $100. It's like this. I think this was like $50. I got a bunch more coming next year that were all like 60 or lower. It's like, and I want to get some more of the expensive ones, so those are coming soon. As I ever get some money, get some of the expensive ones, and they're all in one piece, no assembly required, most of the time. And here it is. Oh, here it is. This is a good statue. Right off the bat, a good statue. The scalp of her sword isn't even bent. Oh man, usually with these things, these are the first things to bend, but this isn't even bent. And yep, as he's pictured in the comics, Taskmaster. I love this cape. White with orange on the inside. I love that. Blue and white and orange. His shield has battle damage. Even got the little pings right here depicting bullets bouncing off it. Got his sword, got his arrows, got his utility belt. There's a lot of detail in that. The base is just a plain rock, but that's fine. Maybe it isn't. Compared to how some of the bases have been for the last few figure statues I've unboxed on this channel from this line, I could take it or leave it. I could take or leave the base. It's like I was saying, the last couple of statues, they've been stepping up their game to depict the scene of the heroes in, and making the bases look like covered in debris and collateral damage. But you know what? I'm happy enough with his costume and his pose and all the stuff going on to forgive just the plainness of the base. So yeah, I'm gonna look past that. Love his boots. He's got the pirate boots. Love the cape. I want a cape like this. I want a cape with the hood and everything like that. I want that. Love his utility belt. It's got all his pouches. Oh, this belt has a little symbol on it. It's the same as the shield, in case you can't see it. And his signature skull mask. That was part of the problem with the costume. No, it wasn't the reveal that Taskmaster is a girl and he's Gregoff's daughter. No, that wasn't the problem. I thought that was a great twist, and I like that. The problem was, it didn't look like it was in the comics. It didn't have the all too scary skull face, the realistic looking skull face. I like that about this character. That's why I like every comic he's in, I just grab, because I like the design of this character. So yeah, that's why I grabbed this up when I could, because this guy, he put on a cape and a cowl and a skull mask. You're trying to scare people. And that's it. You want to be a villain? Do something to scare people. And that is just Taskmaster. He's not just a fighter. He's a tactician. And he likes to get into people's minds. And that's what the skull represents. Just getting into someone's mind and feeding off of their fear. That's Taskmaster for you. That's why he's one of my all-time favorite villains. I can't sing his praises enough. I love this character. I love this character. Oh man. I hope to see him again in the movies. I hope to read more comics about him. But I really like this character. I really like this statue. Great amount of detail. The paint is good. All the detail, again, like before, really stepping up their game. The costumes, all the detail in the costume to make it look like actual fabric. You got folds and creases, texture on the costume, so it looks like an actual costume, not just like they painted over the statue. Really good. Really, really good. It's like this is like almost, for me, this is like top tier design. The only way to go further is to like buy those sideshow marquettes for DC and Marvel characters, where a lot of them are just have actual fabric over the sculpture for their costumes. That for me, that's just the next level up compared to this. That's high up. This is up there. That is further up there. And no, I don't have any of those statues or marquettes. I wish I did. And I will have some one day. And when I do, I'll do an unboxing video for them. But until then, I got Diamond Select. Diamond Select is pretty good too. Especially for a collector on with a budget like me. So yeah, I definitely recommend this to buy. This would be great for anybody's collection, whether you want to just collect all the Diamond Select statues, or you're just into Marvel, or hey, you just really liked Black Widow and you want to get a Taskmaster statue. I recommend this for all of that.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better
that chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up.
Okay, so that was it. That was my unboxing of Taskmaster by Marvel Gallery's Diamond Select. Really good statue, really good price. I recommend it highly. And that's it. That's it for this video. Trying to keep these short and sweet now. Getting close to the end of the year. And looking forward to 2023 and all the stuff I've got coming for that. So until then, Internet, thank you for joining me. And if you like and subscribe, tell a friend, share, and if you like what you see and you want to see more, I've included links on the screen. You can check out some of my past unboxing videos, or you can check out my video for the Northeast Comic-Con and Collectors Expo up in Boxborough that I was just at. So yeah, check that out too. A lot of great stuff happened there, and I filmed it all and put it in a video for you. So until next time, Internet, be good to yourselves and one another, and like always, keep unboxing. Bye.